This one here is a 2013 Ford Escape, and let's check the notes. Let's see what's going on here. It says keys are present. Customer is with the vehicle. Vehicle can be put into neutral. It's also a four-wheel drive. There's nothing else about that car. 90% of the times when we get a call from the insurance company, there's usually nothing in the notes that tells us or suggests to us what's going on with the car. So we would have to call the customer up before we leave to find out why did the car break down or why do they need the car towed, so we know what type of equipment to bring with us. All right, so we're pulling up this customer's house. Let's see what we got here. All right, so this is what I was talking about. So in the notes, they said they need a tow from an address to another address. And now I'm pulling up where the car is supposed to be. And if you look right here, the car is off the road in the ditch. So again, when the insurance company calls about a car, they don't give any details because a lot of the times they don't want to pay for the service. So let's go see what's happening. So it was already tagged by the state police. Dude is not even here. Alright, so I'm gonna get my phone, take some pictures. So this is a perfect example when I say there's usually no information in the notes saying what's going on with the car. So got here and the lady went off the road. She said it was a little foggy this morning and she couldn't see, and she ran off the road. That's the challenging part every day as a tow truck driver. We're about to get to that customer's location where the car is going.